Let's practice representing movements as integers and finding the final depth. Here's the problem. A diver starts at the surface, 0 meters, they descend 18 meters, rise 7 meters, then descend 12 meters, represent each move as an integer, and find the final depth. First, we write the moves as integers. Starting at 0, descending 18 is negative 18, rising 7 is positive 7, and descending 12 is negative 12. So the expression is 0 minus 18 plus 7 minus 12. Step 1, 0 minus 18 equals negative 18. Step 2, negative 18 plus 7 equals negative 11. Step 3, negative 11 minus 12 equals negative 23. So the final depth is 23 meters below the surface. Remember to treat descents as negative integers and ascents as positive integers, then add them in order.